Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the understanding the subjects. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So in RxJS, subjects are the special type of observable that allow values to be multicast to a multiple observers. Unlike like the regular observables which emit values to the subscribers in one-to-one manner. Subjects act as a bridge or the proxy that can be subscribed by the multiple observers. They can both emit the values and subscribe to the other observables, making them more versatile. Subjects are the core part of the RxJS and are used in a variety of scenarios, including implementing event emitters, handling multicast streams, and managing the shared data sources. Okay, so one thing that we come to know about that one, that the subjects are the special type of observable that allow values to be multicast to the multiple observers. Okay, then we have a key characteristics of the subject, that is multicasting. A subject allows multiple subscribers to receive the same emitted value, unlike a regular observable that sends value to each subscriber independently. Next, we have a act as a both observable and the observable. A subject can emit values like an observer and can be subscribed to like an observable. This makes subjects suitable for the use cases like event emitters or the data brokers. Now we have a hot observable. Subjects are hot observables, meaning that they are start emitting values immediately when they are created, unlike the regular observables, which are cold and only emit when subscribed to. Types of subjects. This is just introduction regarding the subjects, right? We are not going to dive into the full level of code, only the understanding what the subject is. Subject, the basic version of subject, it can emit values and can be subscribed to, but does not maintain the state between the emissions. Okay, so normal subject. So here we have an example, subscriber 1, subscriber 2, and here we are emitting the values subject dot next one and the 2. Okay, next, we have the behavioral subject. A behavioral subject requires an initial value and always emits the current value to the new subscribers. It keeps tracks of the last emitted value, making it useful for the scenarios where the latest value is always needed. Okay, so this is the example. Like subscriber 2 receives the last emitted value as a behavioral subject retains the last value. Okay, next, we have a replay subject. A replay subject can buffer a specific number of previous values and replay them to new subscribers. This is useful when you want new subscribers to receive a history of the emitted values. In that case, okay, you can use subscriber 2 receives the last two emitted values 2 and 3, and as replay subject has a buffer size of 2. Okay, so here you can see that buffer size, it is declared that the replay is 2. Okay, so subscriber 1, okay, then emitting the values. Next one, this subject, this is subscribing. Okay, then we have a subscriber 2 subscribes after emissions. Okay, and then here you can see the subscriber 2 receives the last two emitted values as a replay subject and has a buffer size because they have the buffer size of 2. Okay, then we have a async subject. An async subject only emits the last value to the subscribers when the observable completes. It waits until the source observable completes and then emits the most recent value. Okay, so use cases for the subjects, that is event emitters, right? Subjects are ideal for creating the custom event emitters where multiple components or the services needs to listen to the same event or the data stream. In that scenario, we can use. Okay, now we have a state management. Behavior subject is commonly used in the state management where you need to share the latest state across the multiple components or the services. Okay, so this is just an example. Okay, multicasting HTTP request. When you have a long running HTTP request, you can use the subject to ensure that the multiple subscribers receive the same data without multiple HTTP requests being made. Okay, so it's just an example. Here you can see that, right? We have an API call. Okay, and return as observable. Okay, we're going to discuss more on detail. We have the URL. Let's open this URL. There is a difference, I suppose. Okay, so here you can see that we have a key differences between the type of subjects. Okay, so here you can see that the subject emits values immediately to the subscribers. Okay, buffering behavior, no buffering, subscribers get only the new values. And the example of use cases, event handling, real-time updates. Then we have behavioral subject, always emits the latest value to the new subscribers, holds and emits the latest value, share state, user sessions. Okay, replay subject emits all or the last and values to the new subscribers, buffers and replace the specified number of values, caching, undo functionality. Async emits only the last value. Okay, when the observable completes, no buffering, only emits on completion, final results or the completion signals. Right. Okay, so this is just a difference gap. Subjects are powerful tools for handling the multicasting in RxJS. They allow you to share a single data stream between multiple subscribers, which is common requirement in many reactive applications. The different types of subjects, behavioral, replay, async, offer specialized behaviors that can be used for the state management, event handling, and other scenarios where sharing values between multiple subscribers is needed. So in that scenario, we are going to use the subjects, right? I hope you have a little bit clear understanding what exactly the subject is. And in the coming videos, we are going to learn each and everything so that we have a command on these subjects in RxJS. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.